Every advocate knows the headache of trial preparation, managing disorganized file names, manually numbering court pages, and linking exhibits. Let's see how SatyamevHash automates this tedious process instantly from your dashboard. When you select files for upload, the system automatically cleans the document name. Before depositing, you can assign custom exhibit labels and a Bates prefix. The cryptographic engine computes the SHA-256 hash locally in your browser to verify file integrity. Clerical errors are easily corrected. If you or a client upload items with typos or mismatched exhibits, there is no need to delete the files. Simply click the metadata cell Inline to instantly edit names, correct exhibits, or adjust Bates numbering sequences. Next, we transition to the Smart Filing Workspace. Here, you can arrange your forensic assets in the exact order of your legal arguments. With one click, our engine paginates the document, normalizes images, and stamps the appropriate annexures. The downloaded PDF features an auto-generated master index showing exact page ranges and tamper-proof SHA-256 hashes. Every page is sequentially numbered, and the top right corner of each annexure is perfectly stamped, fully prepared for court submission.